In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use buttons in Notion. Understanding how to utilize buttons in Notion can enhance your productivity by automating some of those repetitive tasks and creating a more interactive workspace. So, let's dive right in. First, let's head over to your Notion workspace. Once you're there, you'll want to start by clicking on your profile icon. This is typically located at the top left corner of your Notion screen and serves as the gateway to your account settings and other useful features. Clicking on your profile will present a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select the Templates option. This step will direct you to Notion's template gallery, where you can find a wealth of pre-designed templates to jumpstart various projects and ideas. Templates are great because they provide structure and inspiration, allowing you to customize them to fit your particular needs. Once you're within the template gallery, it's time to tailor your search to what we're focusing on today: buttons. In the search bar, simply type buttons. This will narrow down the templates to those that specifically include button functionalities. Typing this search term is important because it filters out irrelevant options and saves you time. You'll now see a list of templates with buttons incorporated. Among these, look for the template titled Quiz. Learn to use buttons. Click on this template to access a detailed guide on how to effectively use buttons in Notion. This template is designed to teach you through practical examples how buttons can drive efficiency and interactivity in your Notion pages. Once you've clicked on the quiz template, you'll typically be presented with an option to add it to your workspace. Simply select Add to import the template. This step integrates the educational examples and interactive button elements directly into your Notion space, allowing you to interact with and customize them as needed. When you add this template, you're not just importing a set of instructions, you're integrating a learning tool that you can experiment with and tailor until you fully grasp how buttons work. This hands-on approach is incredibly beneficial for visual learners, as you'll be able to see each function in action. In conclusion, learning to use buttons in Notion can significantly enhance how you interact with your workspace. By following these steps, accessing your profile, searching through templates, and selecting the right one, you've integrated a powerful tool that can revolutionize your task management and project handling. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial on utilizing buttons in Notion has been helpful and inspires you to explore more of what Notion has to offer. Remember, the more you experiment and customize, the more you'll adapt Notion to fit your unique workflow.